So hello, welcome. Today I'm talking to you about gathering supplies for the Wardrobe by Me boyfriend sweater. The boyfriend sweater is an oversized, casual with a cozy, roomy fit. Generously sized sleeves feature drop shoulders and a laid back vibe. Both the sleeves and the hem have ribbed bands, providing a structured finish to manage the fabric's fullness. And the pattern is unisex. So make it for yourself, make it for your partner, make it for whoever you wish. Gender free. Okay, so there is measurement charts and fabric requirements within the pattern. I'll make sure that they are uploaded. You just need to click on the little paper clip to get this chart in a simple downloadable format. So there are two different arm lengths, whether you're doing the women's or the men's. That's really the only difference between the women's sizing and the men's sizing. We're calling it chest girth rather than bust, but it's around the fullest part of your bust. So dependent on what size you're making, you need between 1.2 and 1.4 meters of your fabric. So recommended fabrics: medium to heavy French terry and a good quality rib to match the sweater fabric, and obviously your thread. So I purchased my fabric from Minerva. It is their cotton sweatshirting, so it's a fleecy back sweatshirt, and it's really nice kind of weight. It's a colour I like and have quite a lot in my wardrobe, so that is my main fabric. I ordered the nearest green that I could for my ribbing from Minerva, and it is a bit jarring. This is much more yellow compared to this green, and it just looks, no, don't like that. So I decided in that case I would go with a contrast. So I've got a pink rib here. Now the pattern instructions suggest you only need 1/4 meter of your ribbing. I would say you need 1/2 meter just to be on the safe side. Don't order just 1/4 meter. I have got a full meter here because this is a colour, again, a colour I like. I'll use it a lot. So it'll be good to keep in my stash, anything that I don't use this time. The only other thing you need then is your thread, and it depends because you can make this either on your overlocker, and if you're going to do it on your overlocker you will need 5 threads, and I just say 5 because that allows you to have 4 on your overlocker and 1 on your sewing machine. Or if you want to do the top stitching in a contrast, you could do that as well. So those are the options. That's what we're looking at. Gather everything ready. Any discount codes will be in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group for you soon.